Ever feel like your gadgets are designed to fail? Well, you're not wrong. It's called planned obsolescence, and it's a huge part of modern consumerism. We see it everywhere, from our phones and cars to our video game consoles. But today, let's talk about a less obvious player in this game: power tool manufacturers, specifically Milwaukee. A deep dive by a creator called Tool Scientist suggests that some Milwaukee battery packs might be designed to wear out faster than they should. The secret: it seems they don't balance their battery cells. Now, you might think, what's cell balancing? In simple terms, it's a crucial process that ensures all the individual cells inside a battery pack are charged and discharged evenly. Without it, some cells work harder than others, leading to premature wear and a battery that dies way too soon. To test this, Tool Scientists intentionally created an imbalance in a Milwaukee battery pack. He then ran a series of rigorous tests. He monitored the internal communications, looked for voltage changes that would indicate balancing was happening, and even left the battery on a charger for 21 straight days. He also put it through numerous charge and discharge cycles. The result: the imbalance was still there, every single time. This strongly suggests that these packs aren't performing this vital function. So, why would Milwaukee skip this feature? To be generous, maybe they believe most packs will last long enough without it, and they wanted to save on manufacturing costs. It's also worth noting this investigation is about a year old, so things might have changed. But let's be realistic. In a world where companies want you to keep buying, it's more likely that this is a deliberate choice. A battery that wears out faster means you have to buy a new one sooner. It's a classic case of encouraging repeat purchases. This fits a pattern, as Milwaukee doesn't make it easy for users to service their own tools either. It seems to be part of a broader strategy to keep you coming back to them for replacements and repairs. Is it a calculated business move, or just cutting corners like some car manufacturers have done with their battery systems? Whatever the reason, it's a reminder to always be a savvy consumer. The next time your battery dies unexpectedly, you might want to question if it was just bad luck, or if it was designed that way from the start. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give us a like and subscribe for more content that pulls back the curtain on the products we use every day. See you next time.